Our first hypothesis for today is going to be onboarding. Sometimes it happens that mobile apps do not onboard their users well. And in the case of mobile platforms, the decision making becomes much faster. People make snap judgments, and thus first impressions become important. Research says that at least 25% of the apps face abandonment on their first time use. The product team spend tons and tons of time building awesome features for their users. But what if a huge chunk of those users are going to delete your app in the very few first moments? Well, all your effort is going to go in vain. Onboarding needs to be nailed. Otherwise, what's the point in spending time building features that nobody is going to see or use? There is no contest for apps with the most features, but only those apps triumph whose value proposition is conveyed to the users in the first go. Thus, it becomes very important to make your value proposition shine on the users at, at the time they come and on your app platform. So you should be focusing on showcasing features rather than building more and more cool features. Our hypothesis for onboarding would be that adding onboarding to the app would increase the number of users at the first stage of the funnel. As the first step, the app teams should pilot the users towards the aha or the wow moment. And when that moment is achieved, the users automatically realize the value your app could add to their life. This is where onboarding tutorials play their role, helping drive users quickly to the core functionality. Also, once the users attend their wow moment, this there is no looking back after that, as they won't be deleting your app. This is when you can start showing off all the other features. As a tip for you to reach that aha moment or the wow moment, I would like to suggest that you use animated walkthroughs. These animated walkthroughs would prove to be more engaging to the users other than just the normal static ones. Also, animation is always great at grabbing attention. For example, ICICI Lombard could have app onboarding to explain its features to policy buyers. Since ICICI Lombard sells policies and insurances, this would make it easy for the users to operate the app using the various finance features and make policy buying very easy, thus increasing conversion rate for ICICI.